They held on to each other's hands and ran out of the palace, heading straight for the bush with red berries. The reindeer was still waiting for Gerda, and beside him was another young reindeer.
Hurrah!
Cried Kay and Gerda as they rode on their reindeers. They exchanged each other's stories along the way. First, they went to Finland Woman's house and warmed themselves before proceeding on their journey. Kay felt much better as the warm room thawed his cold hands and feet. Then they went on to visit the Lapland woman, who fed them and repaired his sled. They rode for a long time, and soon they heard the church bells ring.
Oh, look, Kay!
Gerda cried out suddenly.
We're in our own town.
Sure enough, they turned round a corner and found that they were back in their own street with all its familiar houses. They got down from their reindeers and sped straight into Kay's grandma's room. Everything looked just the same, yet they knew that something had changed. They found that the roses from the rose bushes were peeping inside through the window. Their chairs were there near the window, and they went to sit down there as they always used to. And Kay and Gerda looked in each other's eyes, and all at once they understood the old hymn.
The rose in the valley is blooming so sweet, and angels descend there the children to greet.
There they sat, as two grown-up persons. Grown up, and yet children. Children, at least in heart. And it was summertime, a warm, glorious summer.